my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, hi! This video is about green bean casserole. As you can tell by my green bean eyeballs, that's what we're doing today. Hope you guys like it. It's definitely something that I enjoy and is super easy to make, last minute side. Tune in and check it out. You'll need 3 cans of green beans, then you'll need 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 3/4 cup of milk. I just honestly eyeball it at this point. I can tell what's 3/4 cup. So as you can tell, I pour it into the container that the cream of mushroom soup comes in, and I can tell what's gonna be 3/4 cup without even measuring. And lastly, you will need 2 containers of the 6-ounce French fried onions. Original. I'm almost doing a recipe that's like too easy to be on here, but I was in the mood for green makeup. I was making them this weekend and I decided, why not? Let's do this. I mean, I have so many recipes in mind that it's just like gonna be never ending, and I may do the simplest, dumbest stuff that everybody's like, duh. And I may do some stuff that's a little harder. Since I'm not a chef myself, there is a part of me that wants to kind of dig into recipes for people that maybe aren't whizzes in the kitchen, you know, and that aren't confident, or like teenagers that are moving out on their own for the first time and never really had to make any of the stuff. I'm gonna do from beginners all the way up to some of my more intense recipes. But I figure even though this one's really easy, it might be one that you didn't ever think to make as a side for dinner. And although it is summer right now, so it feels like this is not the right choice, I hadn't gone grocery shopping, and that was what was happening. Because what's great about this recipe is that everything you need for it besides the milk you can store in your pantry and have on hand at any time in case of an emergency in a last minute. I don't have any food. So I definitely made a wild last minute dinner that was like, this is what you get, family, I love you, but that's all I got. Needless to say, I went shopping the next day. And also, since it's been summer, they actually were so stoked on this dinner, because I haven't made something like that during the summer at all, because it's a little too hot to be doing all that, but that's what happened. So like I said, this is the easiest recipe out there, period. There's 0 recipes that are easier, duh. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, you need butter. Or just something to grease whatever you're baking it in. You can use like a non-stick spray or whatever you feel like. So I do that first, and then I dump in my green beans all up in there. 3 cans of green beans right into it. Plop in the mushroom soup. It's like condensed, so it'll like kind of plop out like. And then I add in the milk. Then I kind of swoosh that all around in there as best as I can. I add in some ground pepper. That's optional. And then I mix it all together some more. Kind of like this, but more sloppy. Just mix it up. And then I add in the French fried onions. And I mix it some more. Once it's all mixed, I add the French fried green onions to the top. And I cover it with aluminum foil so that it doesn't burn the onions on top. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees at this point. And I pop that sucker in the oven. You bake it for 35 minutes with the aluminum foil on, and then you take it off, and I bake it for another 10 minutes with it off. You can do it the other way where you never put the French fried onions on top and then add the French fried onions on top the last 5 minutes. So it's up to you, but the way I do it is I cover it. So, I mean, both ways work. For some reason, I think like it being like trapped in this little thing helps it. It probably doesn't. So you can do the other way, but it's up to you. That's just the way I do it. Once it's done, you take it out and it is just ready to go. I like to do like a scoop where I take a little bit of the crunchy stuff. So sometimes I even use like a soup spoon and kind of grab it from underneath and plop it out onto the plate. I make this bad boy every Thanksgiving. One of the first things our daughter said was like, this always reminds me of Thanksgiving, which is kind of nice when it's summer. It kind of is like, oh, that's nice. Thanksgiving's nice. Even though they're enjoying the summer, there's like a part of you that has like a nostalgia towards Thanksgiving. So yeah, in the summer, bring in a little bit of your Thanksgiving vibes to switch it up a little bit and make some green bean casserole. Because I'm foreign, I never ate this till I was like all grown up, like super grown up. I was like, what is this and where did it come from? I fell in love with it. Hope you all enjoyed this easy green bean casserole recipe and look. It's easy but delicious. One of my kids doesn't even like mushrooms and he still loves it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment what you think of this video, and let me know if you guys try this one or if you guys like grew up eating it and never made it. Now you can make it. Let me know what you guys think. Bye guys.